What if I told you the secret to a dentist clean smile was already in your kitchen? That filmy layer on your teeth is plaque, a living biofilm that reforms daily. If not disrupted, it hardens into tartar, which stains teeth and irritates gums. However, a professional cleaning isn't your only option. You can tackle this naturally at home. Number 1. Oil pulling. This ancient practice is renowned for oral detoxification. Take a tablespoon of coconut or sesame oil first thing in the morning and swish it between your teeth for 10 to 15 minutes. It works by pulling bacteria and loosening debris. Spit it out and rinse well. You will notice a smoother feel and fresher breath in just days. Number 2. Baking soda. Its mild abrasiveness helps scrub away surface stains and neutralizes harmful acids. Create a paste with water and gently brush with it once or twice a week. Please note, overuse can wear down enamel, so moderation is key. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute a teaspoon in a glass of water and use it as a mouth rinse for half a minute. Its antibacterial nature helps break down plaque and can improve gum circulation. Always follow with plain water and limit use to a few times weekly to safeguard your enamel. Number 4. Turmeric. This spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory and bacteria fighter. Mix it with a little coconut oil to form a paste and brush for several minutes. Do not worry about the color. It rinses away, leaving your teeth feeling incredibly clean and looking brighter. Your kitchen holds the key to a brighter smile. Number 5. Citrus peel. The inside of a lemon or orange peel contains a natural compound that helps dissolve stains and plaque. Gently rub the peel on your teeth, let it sit briefly, then rinse. This simple trick also fights bad breath. Number 6. Activated charcoal. It acts like a magnet, grabbing onto toxins and plaque. Apply a fine powder to your toothbrush and brush gently for a couple of minutes, then rinse thoroughly. It polishes and can whiten, but be sure to use a fine grade to prevent abrasion. Number 7. Crunchy fruits and vegetables. Foods like apples, carrots, and celery act as nature's toothbrushes. Chewing them increases saliva, your mouth's natural cleanser, which helps wash away bacteria. An apple a day might just keep the dentist away. Nature's toothbrush is already in your fridge. Number 8. Consistent oral care. Finally, the most critical step is consistent care. Home remedies are powerful, but they work best with a solid daily routine. Brush twice daily with a soft brush and fluoride toothpaste. Floss between your teeth every day. An antibacterial mouthwash can provide extra protection. The combination of natural methods and diligent hygiene is your ultimate defense. If you found these natural life hacks valuable, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Natural Life Hacks for more.